Hello everyone. Welcome you all on our channel eFunda for new day, new topic. And today's topic is Level Engineering Guide Direct Level Measurement Part 7A. As informed earlier that this series will be covered in parts. So today's topic is to have a direct level measurement details. If you are new to our channel, then please watch all our technical series related to engineering topics we have provided on a eFunda channel. And if you are like our efforts, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel eFunda. Level Engineering Guide will be covered in parts. Level Engineering Guide Basic Introduction Part 7, which is already done and published. Level Engineering Guide Direct Level Measurement Part 7A, as this is today's video. Level Engineering Guide Indirect Level Measurement Part 7B, that will be subsequently, it will be followed. Moving on to the topic of direct method of level measurement. In this we will see today the details of direct method of level measurement, which involves the physical properties like fluid motion as well as thermal, optical and electrical properties related to the substances. This direct measurement is often simple because only measuring the level is just a matter of measuring the height of the substance in a vessel. A leading advantages of all these direct methods as they don't require operator to compensate for any changes in a level caused by the temperatures, while the liquid and gases might expand or contract due to the temperature changes. Direct method of a level measurement will show the amount of the product directly. Oftentimes, when measuring the level of the object directly, an operator may monitor the object's position visually through the side glasses like a float or a dipstick. Along with isolation valves, a number of other products are utilized within this direct method of level measurement, including the displacers, air bubble systems and diaphragm boxes, etc. The direct measurements involved based on the direct visual observations, gauge sticks, hook gauge, gauge glass and buoyancy methods, basically float gauges and displacer gauges. This is all about the direct method of level measurement. Now we will see the topic of level gauges used for the local indication in the field, and today we are going to see the most popular devices, that is the magnetic level gauges, which is used the same fluid and therefore shows the same level. Also uses a magnetic, that is a attraction and a repulsion method while in a service, hence do not require a separate power source for operating these devices. Archimedes principles, according to which a body immersed in a liquid receives a buoyancy equal to the weight of displaced liquid. That means whatever the amount of liquids will be displaced, that will be useful. The principle of attraction, north and south poles of a two permanent magnet, and that is of the repulsion of a like pole, that is north to north or south to south. One can see in a figure that a chamber is connected to the vessel where the vessel is half filled, and the direct level measurement can seen on a level gauges. And further in subsequent animation one can see as the level changes, then the rollers are changing the colors. This is basically changing the position, that is based on north to north, south to south, and attraction and repulsion method. One can see in the last animation where the colors are changing based on the float moment. This is all about the magnetic level gauges. Moving on to reflex level gauges. Reflex glass level gauges working principle is based on the light refraction and reflection laws. Reflex liquid level gauges are designed to operate based on the difference in the refractive indices of a liquid and the vapor. One can see in a figure the arrangement of a reflex type level gauges where all the parts of reflex level gauges are shown. The liquid flows through the gauge chamber behind the viewing glass located on only side of the instrument and which is clamped together to the gauge body. One can see in a figure where the reflection glasses are being used, and that has been shown in a figure. The reflex gauges uses a prismatic grooves as a devices to reflect the light if there is a liquid filled in the chamber. One can see in a figure where the light is reflected from the liquid glass where the fluid is present and it is getting reflected, so that one can identify at that level the reflect glasses are reflecting due to the height of the liquid inside the chamber. And this is how the direct level measurement is done with the help of reflex type level gauges. Transparent level gauges. Transparent type level gauges are always fitted with a two plate transparent glasses between which the fluid is contained. One can see in a figure where transparent level gauges structure can be defined, and all the body parts are also indicated with part names. Structure of the transparent glasses are also shown, and the connection of these transparent glasses with respect to vessel sketch is also shown. In this type of level gauges, the liquid is discriminated in the form of a different transparency of two media. This type of a level gauge is mainly recommended for colored liquid, steam water and interface liquid level. The gauge consists of a body having machine to have a liquid chamber and one or more windows on both sides of the gauge as shown in a figure. On each window, a transparent level glass is tightly pressed with a sealing joint between the metallic covers and the body by means of the bolts and the nuts. And when the liquid is filled, then whatever the lights are there, that same can be passed through the liquid, where we can identify that these are the liquid levels which we have inside the chamber where two transparent glasses are mounted. This is how the transparent level gauges are work. With this, we are concluding on our today's topic, Level Engineering Guide, Direct Level Measurement Part 7A. And if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press bell icon to get latest update on our channel eFunda. Thanks for watching eFunda and stay tuned for our new topic, new video on a new days.